Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. Okay, and of course this is very important. So many people have been benefiting from this. You too can also benefit from it. Just understand the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. Okay, but before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora detectorK. There is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy, and of course do your own personal practice. Okay, you need to learn it, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay, quickly let's go straight into what we are right here. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow your small trading capital to any level. Okay, so many people have done this before. You too can also do the same thing. You just need to follow the instructions which I will be dishing out on this channel. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, this is boom 1000, and I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M train milker trading indicator. Okay, so just where we have seen this has been on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone from the uptrend. It has not been able to break out from there, so it went straight on downtrend, played at some point, and of course, but it's been more of downtrend than an uptrend. It has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so if it's unable to break out in below it, it's most likely it goes fully into an uptrend. So it is making an attempt to go into an uptrend at the moment, and of course once it breaks out above the resistance zone, it will go fully into it. But if it does not, it will try out this support zone again and see if it will break out below it. Okay, so this is very important, and once it breaks out below it, then it will continue with the sell trend. But for now, we expect it to do more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, the next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500. It's been on downtrend for a very long time, and it has got into this support zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so it started an uptrend right from there. So this will be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. This is crash 1000. Crash 1000 has been on downtrend for a very long time, and the market played around there for a while, but it seems that it has not been able to break out below this support zone, and of course this will be going fully on buy trend. This is very important. Okay, we don't know why we are having more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Okay, and this has also been on downtrend for a very long time, and of course just where we are seeing it, even though it has gotten to the support zone, but it seems it's about to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, it will continue to sell. So at the moment this is still selling at the moment, but if it's unable to break out from there, it will go back into a buy trend. So you should also have that at the back of your mind. So the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be volatility 75. Volatility 75 had been on a uptrend for a very long time, starting from this support zone, and of course it has got into this resistance zone earlier on, but it pulled back from there, but it went back there to break out from there, and it is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone, then it will start selling, but for now it is still buying. Might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out above the next resistance zone. So right now, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategy. Do your own personal practice before you go on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God